How to delete WhatsApp chat history from both sides. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete WhatsApp chat history from both sides. To delete WhatsApp chat history from both sides, you can use the Delete for Everyone feature. For that, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now here, you will need to navigate to the chat. Go to the chat containing the message you'd like to delete. And once you reach to the chat page of that person, now here you will need to tap and hold on the specific message you wish to delete. And if you want to delete the multiple messages, you can select the additional messages by simply tapping on them after holding the first one. After selecting the messages, look for the trash bin icon at the top right corner of your screen and simply tap on it. A menu will appear to confirm. From here, you will need to select this Delete for Everyone option. Also note that if you are selecting multiple options, you may not able to see this option. You will need to manually select one by one messages in order to delete for everyone. Now select this Delete for Everyone option and the option will remove the selected messages from both your chat and the recipient chat. Also, when you delete a message for everyone, it will show a notification in both chats indicating that a message has been deleted. And currently, there is no option to delete an entire chat history from both sides in one action. You must delete each message individually by following the same steps. Also, if you want to clear your own chat history without affecting the other person's chat, then you can tap on the three dot at the top right. Here select the More option from the pop-up and select Clear Chat option. A pop-up will appear here. Here if you want to delete the media too, you may tap on the checkbox right here and tap on Clear Chat option. This will delete your own chat history. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete WhatsApp chat history from both sides. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.